Aqua Cool opens with a vibrant burst of bergamot, combined with refreshing aquatic notes and crisp green accords, evoking a sense of natural freshness and vitality. The heart introduces the clean ozonic quality of cologne alongside uplifting aldehydes, lending an airy light feel to the fragrance, balanced by the aromatic nuances of lavender and the subtly floral spicy character of geranium. As the scent settles, it reveals a soft musky base intertwined with the warm resinous depth of umber and the smooth woody undertones of cedarwood, creating a lasting and elegant dry down. This composition is both invigorating and sophisticated, ideal for those seeking a versatile and refreshing scent. Aqua Cool performance elements. Longevity. Moderate to long-lasting. Typically, Aqua Cool will stay on the fabric for 8 to 12 hours, with the base notes lingering the longest. Sillage. The fragrance initially has a moderate to strong sillage projecting well within a 3 to 4 feet radius. This makes it noticeable without being overpowering. Projection. Projects strongly during the initial 1 to 2 hours, making it easy to perceive within a few feet. This initial projection provides an uplifting and invigorating aura. As the fragrance settles, the projection decreases to a more personal level, staying within an arm's length. This ensures the scent remains present without being intrusive. Versatility. Highly versatile. Suitable for various occasions including work, casual outings, and even formal events. Its refreshing and clean nature makes it an excellent choice for Davia, especially in warmer weather. Season. Best suited for spring and summer due to its fresh and aquatic nature. It can also be worn during early autumn for its balanced composition. Mood. Fresh, energetic, and refined. It conveys a sense of confidence and sophistication, perfect for those who appreciate a clean and invigorating scent profile. Style. The fragrance complements a polished modern look. It is suitable for those who prefer a clean, sharp, and timeless scent that enhances their overall style without being overpowering. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.